everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Angel or Lunch, and for today's video, ang gagawin ko is I'll be doing like a simple makeup tutorial. So yeah, this is the first time na mag-create ako ng tutorial about this eye makeup look kasi recently naging uso siya. So actually, way before, uso na talaga yung ganitong eye makeup look, and then just recently, parang ginagawa na rin ng mga celebrities, vloggers. So yun, this makeup look called Foxy Eye Look. So yung pag ganun yung eyes mo, yung saan, para yun, pag ganun yung eyes, so para maganda, parang elongated yung dating ng eyes mo from here to here. So dapat ano siya, para maging something like chinita yung dating. So this is my first time doing this makeup look, and hopefully magawa ko siya. Hindi naman siya ganun ka tawag nito, nakalimutan ko lang, hindi siya ganun
A few moments later.
Hirap gawin. Ayun. So, hindi siya ganun kahirap gawin. So, simple lang siya na eye makeup look, pero sobrang ganda niya pag once na in-apply mo siya or ginawa mo siya sa eyes. So, well, anyway guys, without further ado, so let's get started with this video. Alright, so I'm back, and yeah, so mag-uumpisa na tayo for this Foxy Eye Makeup Look tutorial. Then, well, anyway guys, inform ko lang kayo na na-prep ko na yung face ko. So, I've already done all the rituals. Ayan, parang like the concealer, foundation, lahat. Ginawa ko na siya, as well as my eyebrows, as you can see, na na-prep ko na lahat. So, mag-uumpisa na tayo. So, for this tutorial. Okay, so please bear with me. I'm not really that good, but I'll try na ma-achieve ko tong Foxy Eye Makeup Look kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga, guys. So let's start. So for today's video, ang gagamitin kong palette is this Vice Cosmetics na BT21. It's a collaboration with BTS. So yan. Kasi nandito siya lahat, yung mga nudes or yung mga transition shades, and then this black shades here na magka-create doon sa Foxy Eye Makeup Look natin. And then I prepared all my brushes needed. So here we go. There's actually a lot. So ayan. So let's start. So first is, ang gagawin natin is, by the way, nakapaglagay na ako ng eye primer and powder just to set my eyes. And then, so let's start. But anyways guys, may different siyang tricks kung paano siya gawin. Kung mahirapan kayong gawin for the first time, pwede kayong gumamit ng marami tayong mga yung sa parang sticky tape na ilalagay mo dito just to make sure na yung pagkalagay mo sa makeup is maganda siya tingnan. Tsaka, for me kasi wala akong ganun. So, let's just try and hopefully na makuha ko itong makeup look na to. So, here we go. Let's start. Dami kong kuda. So, I'm just going to use this ColourPop Cosmetics shader. I think kasi wala naman siyang nakalagay na numbers or anything. So, ito yung brush. Kasi kailangan pag gumamit kayo or pag mag-create kayo ng Foxy Eye Makeup Look is kailangan siyang maliit. Actually, much better kung may mas maliit pa kayong ganito, mas okay siya. The better siya na gawin. Kasi para i-ganon mo talaga. Parang ilalagay yung eye makeup na gagawin nyo is para makuha nyo talaga yung pag-ganon niya na parang just like you're applying an eyeliner sa eyes niyo. So, yun yung mangyayari. So, let's start. So, first, shade. So, I'm just going to use the lighter one. So, I'll have to use this first shade here. Ito. I'm just gonna tap that one. And then, ilalagay ko lang to. So, gagamit ako ng salamin para mas, ano siya. So, gagawin ko siya back and forth. Ayan. So, back and forth lang siya guys, yung pagbabrush niya. Madali lang actually siya gawin. Masyado lang precise talaga yung pag-aalam. So, back to that shades. So, after nung first shade, so pupunta tayo dito sa yung medyo darker shades dito. Transition. And then, kailangan hindi siya ganun kataas. So, magsa-start tayo dito sa may pinakababa para mag-ano lang. Just to combine. Kasi medyo mahirapan talaga pag first time mo yung gagawin ito kasi sobrang precise na eye makeup look. Kasi kailangan talaga nakaganon. But I'm just actually trying this one. Hopefully na makuha ko siya eventually. Ayan. So it's actually starting to create the eye makeup look. So pabalik-balik lang siya. Isang ano lang yan siya. So tapos, anuhin lang natin yan. Lilinisan lang natin afterwards. Ayan. As you can see, medyo nakikita niyo siya. And then, let's go with the darker shade. So, magsa-start na tayo ito sa black shades na to. This one. Medyo konti lang para hindi siya ano. Clear or hindi siya masyadong kita, just probably because of the sa lights or yeah, sa lights hindi siya ganun ka kita. Better kung gagamit kayo ng medyo darker pa nito. Okay siya. Ito kasi parang light dark lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka itim na or sobrang black yung shade. So, I'm just trying to, apply ko lang siya upward para ma-enhance yung size. Kailangan siya talagang nag-change yung eyes ko pag ganun siya. dun sa first shades na kinuha natin. Gaganda siya. And to lift yung atang nito, gusto yung ano, kasi kailangan siyang medyo hindi pababa yung eyebrows mo. Kailangan siya naka-lifted. Parang, yeah, para to look elongated yung ano, yung eyes mo yung dating na. So, I'm just going to use, or I'm just going to get my concealer para i-ano ko lang tong dito banda sa eyebrows to make it like lifted yung eyebrow ko instead of down, naka-down yung eyebrows ko. Kasi yun yung ways na to create this foxy looks. And then, I'll be right back and I'm going to finish this eye look, including the other one. Alright? Alright, so there you go guys. So, natapos ko na siya. So, ang ginawa ko lang is, diba, nag-shades, naglagay ako ng lighter shades here and then the black shades just to elongate this eye look. And then, what I did, kasi yung sa Vice Cosmetics kasi, hindi siya ganun ka-black. So, pinalitan ko siya dito sa Jaclyn Hill ko na palette. So, this, I've used this one, just, here yung ito, yung sa Foxy Looks. So, ginawa ko is, naglagay ako nito just to make sure na pag ganun yung eyes or pa it looks upward or lifted or ganun. Basta elongated yung dating ng eyes mo pag ganun. So, ayan. So, tinapos. Same goes as with the lower eyelids. And then, naglagay ako ng brown. This one is a brown liner sa eyes ko. And then, naglagay ako ng sa shades ko dito. Just to match yung transition shades na ginawa ko dito. So, yun. So, that's it guys. So, as you can see na gumanon talaga yung eyes ko. And make sure na yung sa kilay nyo din is parang lifted. So, you could actually use concealer just to make it more look like that. See? Okay. So, actually, nagustuhan ko yung makeup look na to. So, but, anyway guys, since that I've already done this eye or Foxy Eye Makeup Look. So, tatapusin ko lang yung sa face ko and then we're good to go. Alright, so I'm done with my face. So, nakapag na ako. So, natapos ko na yung sa face ko. And to finish this look, so I'm just going to use this Maybelline Nude Illusion. So, mas maganda siya kung, I don't know kung makikita niyo ba siya. Kasi ito yung shades niya. So, Nude Illusion. So, mas maganda kasi siya gamitin pag mga ganitong looks. Kasi sobrang dark na siya dito banda. And, so, kailangan lighter yung shades ng lipstick mo. But you could also use red lipstick to make it more sophisticated. Go. So, mas maganda din siya guys na pag nagganito kayo ng looks, make sure na meron kayong false lash or lashes na false lashes na nilagay sa eyes niyo para mas maganda siya tingnan yung dito banda para ano siya lifted din yung eyelash niyo. But if wala, so like me, wala akong false lashes na available, so naglagay lang ako ng mascara. So, ayan na siya. So, that's it. So, this is the final look of my Foxy Eye Makeup Look. And pagpasensyahan nyo na rin kasi I'm not really good at, I'm not really good in the makeup tutorial part, but I'm trying to, to take one step at a time. So, well, anyway, I hope you do like this makeup look. And yeah, that's it, guys. So, I'll be right back. So, magpapalit na ako so that we could just, para irampa natin yung look na to. So, I'll be right back. makeup tutorial. So, hindi talaga siya full tutorial kasi hindi ko naman pinakita lahat. But, anyway guys, you can actually check other vloggers as well doing this makeup. But, you know, if you have questions, just let me know. And don't forget to comment down below. And I hope you do like this video and with this look. So, yeah. I actually enjoyed it, and hopefully na magustuhan niyo rin yung yung creation ko, or this this Foxy Eye Makeup Look. So ayan guys. Alright, so well anyway, thank you so much again for watching and for tuning in with this video, and I hope to see you next time. And please, just a little reminder, or just a quick reminder to everyone that always stay at home, wash hands or do hand washing, proper hand washing. Make sure that you sanitize your self, you know, just to protect this COVID-19 virus. And hopefully we're actually praying that this will go back to, alam mo yung babalik tayo sa normal, na hindi yung ganito na marami tayong fears sa sa sarili natin. But anyway guys, just trust everything to God, and yeah, and that's it. So well, thank you so much again, and I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye. Mwah.